Hi everyone, welcome to this segment on the channel where we will be delving into how to add categories and subcategories on Shopify. And here is how. To start, navigate to your Shopify homepage and click on Products. You will see two test products already added. Ensure you have added the desired products to categories before moving on to creating collections. Next, head to Collections and select the option to create a new collection. Then provide a title for the new collection. So for this example, I will simply title it Polo Shirts. Then you can add a description if needed. There are two types of collections you can create, manual and automated. With manual collections, you will add products manually, while automated collections allow you to set conditions for products to be added automatically based on criteria like product tag, title, type, category, vendor, price, weight, inventory stock, or variant title. However, for simplicity in this example, let us stick with manual collection creation. Understood? You have opted for the manual type for the collection. After saving the collection, you will proceed to add products to it. By clicking on a designated area, you will be able to manually browse and select your products for addition. Since you only have two products, you will add them manually by browsing and clicking Add. Once done, the products will be successfully added to the collection. Got it? You are going to create a second collection, and then you will proceed to add the collection Korean pants. Once you have finished adding all the collections you want as categories, you will navigate to your online store. From there, click on Navigation. This will take you to a page where you can manage your menu. If needed, you can add a new menu from this page. If you prefer to start over, you can add a new menu. But you are choosing to edit the main menu. Clicking on that option will display the current menu items on your store. To add a new category, you will select Add Menu Item, and then provide a name for it, which will be displayed on your store. You have named the new category Polo and link it to the collections page. By selecting the Polo Shirts collection, you have added it as a menu item. Now, after saving the changes, you can head over to the store to demonstrate. When clicking on the Polo category, it will direct visitors to the page containing all the products added to that collection. Got it? You have added two collections as menu items, and now you are demonstrating how to create subcategories. By dragging the categories from their current position to the right, you are making them subcategories of the catalog section. You have successfully arranged polo and trousers as subcategories. When visitors view the online store, they will see a drop-down menu displaying these subcategories. This allows them to choose between polo and trouser easily. And that is how to add categories and subcategories on Shopify. I hope you found this helpful. Before we conclude, please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.